In this video I will show you simple way make a poster. First select vertical type text tool. Write the text you want. Select rectangle tool and use accordingly video. Select white color. Copy the layer. Down the rectangle layer. Up the background copy layer. Create the clipping. Select the text layer and click blending option. Add stroke accordingly video. Then add drop shadow. Add some another text. Watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel.